UFO.
Are you videoing
No,
this?
it's not a meteor.
I am now.
It's not a meteor. It's something that's got lights on. But look at the halo.
It's definitely a meteor, you guys.
I don't know. It's moving too slow to me.
Did you see it before?
It kind of exploded into light.
Yeah, it was awesome.
What?
Yeah.
There,
Oh,
it's
it's
dissolving.
disappearing.
It's dissolving.
There you go.
What is it?
It's a meteor.
It's definitely a meteor.
See, it just like dissolved it. No, it's
No,
still
it's
going in the
not.
atmosphere.
It's just like little pieces
I
of
mean,
it
it's
breaking
getting.
off.
Look at how it's kind of blue
There's
up there.
blue.
Why is it making all this
It's
light?
okay.
Wish his camera was better. Lucas, we just saw something awesome, dude.
Look at that. You are blessed. God bless you.
Wow. Look how that. What's all that? Hazy. Holy.
I don't know.
It's still up there.
That's so cool.
Not many people in their whole lives get to see something that beautiful, and God let you see that.